Cynthia with AQ Lighting and Brian. So, what do you got here, Brian? This looks like a pretty good selection.
Well, you said Free Fixture Friday, right?
Yeah.
So
This is
what we are going to do today.
Oh, this is amazing. This, I believe, is another one of our top-selling products. We sell thousands of these, which you will truly appreciate. So, I mean, this looks like it comes in an array of colors here.
This is our 12-inch pendant. We call it Pendant 1464. This is the little brother of the 16-inch.
Yeah, yeah.
So if the 16-inch isn't the right size, you need a little bit smaller, this is the guy right here.
So that gives you, I think, Chip and Joanne, they use this almost everywhere. I see this in their show. So this, like you said, is a 12-inch. You can kind of get an idea of the scale of it. But you've got white, black, bronze,
red.
I can't even believe this is a part of Free Fixture
That's
Friday.
beautiful, yeah, absolutely.
Copper, red, blue. Okay. Canopy is color coordinated.
Speaking of the canopy, there we go. Let me grab this here. So we can talk a little bit about the canopy. There's always a question. Obviously, if it's a pendant light, every pendant light is going to have a canopy.
Right.
So that's just that's how you hang them. So it's going to have.
I'm kind of partial to this one because I like the depth of it.
There you go. So that's a 4.5-inch canopy.
Okay.
It's about 7/8 of an inch deep. So if you had the surface mount a box or something like that, as long as it's a pancake, a real thin box, you could actually surface mount a box if you didn't already have something flush mounted.
Oh, okay. So then that makes it easy. If you have any questions about the scale of the size of the box, just send us a comment or call our tech department.
So we are going to do a little install here, but the first thing I wanted to show you is, Tom, how long was that cord?
72 inches.
72 inches long. Let's see here. That is a tough.
Wider than my wingspan.
Yes. So you have 72 inches of cable here, but don't worry, most all pendants you can shorten. We could shorten this thing to where this is almost sitting on top of this.
And you know what, and that's what you want. There's a lot of high ceilings. We don't know if you're doing this at a barn, in a pool room, game room, over an island. We don't know if you have 8-foot ceilings or 14-foot ceilings. So that way, this can adjust according to your application.
So if I can show everybody this, I'm going to go ahead and pull this yoke off of here. It's a very light gauge yoke because the pendants aren't really.
Yeah, these are paper thin.
Yeah.
Well, not paper thin, but these are lightweight.
They're very lightweight.
Somebody is asking to show the difference between the big and the small because they're just asking, can we see what they look like comparison together?
Absolutely.
Just so happens I think you
That's
did.
a really good idea. So this is, what we're talking about is the 12-inch, and then this is the 16-inch. So literally
Engulfs it. Yes. So that is the
So
difference.
should we do it this way so they can see it side by side? That may help you. So here's the deal. If you have a large island, you may want 2 large ones, or you may want 3 small ones. If it's a pool table, 2 large ones and or 3 small ones. So you gauge it to what you're using it for, if it's in a garage or that type of thing. But that hopefully gives you an idea. Is that 2 hands, 16 inches?
All right. So what I do want to show you guys is how you shorten this. It's actually very, very simple.
So you took this piece off?
Yes, I took that. That is the yoke that will mount to the box.
Okay.
Okay. So this is pretty much all you do. If I can show you guys
Oh, that's
this.
great.
So there's a very small set screw. So I'm not sure if the cameras can pick up this little set screw here. Okay. Well, let's try to focus in here. Okay. It's very simple. A small screwdriver, remove this set screw. Once you remove this set screw, you can grab this cable and pull it out as far as you need to.
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
Now, one other thing is there is a little plastic retaining clip in here. So all you do is you lower this back down to the, once you have all the amount that you have pulled out, just lower it back down.
Okay.
So I've already done that.
found that these look great in any color, literally any color.
Right.
We offer a vast array, but you can custom color it. We've had restaurants, call us up and they have a specific color that they need, like yellow or whatnot, and allow more time for that, but at least it can be done.
We've done a lot of custom colors.
Yeah, it just looks great no matter what the color, so it can suit you.
So as you can see, I've replaced the set screw, and then I've lowered the clip back down, stripped my wires. That's all there is to it. It took me 5 minutes to maybe do that.
Okay.
So it's ready to hang. I think we should hang it
All right.
and then show everybody the different kinds of bulbs that we have that we like to put in.
Perfect.
Real quick.
Gonna do a little switch.
Yeah, little switch. Here we go.
Do you need me to hand you anything?
I think I have most everything. Actually, I would like to hand you this.
Okay.
I'm gonna drop that.
Plus, this is one of my favorite tools now that I install.
There you go. Do you have the holster yet?
I'm so doing that.
Yeah. We're going to do this very quickly here, so I can show everybody the bulbs.
So it wires up like any other white to white, black to black, ground to the bond wire, and
That's
that's
right.
it.
Very basic wiring here, nothing.
That's the best part, is it's color coordinated. The white wire goes with the white wire, the black wire goes with the black wire, and then the ground goes with the ground. It's repetitive through every single fixture.
And I just need to line it up a little bit. Yeah, we're almost there. So Cynthia, what bulb do you want to try to show them first?
Okay, so for decorative, these are amazing. If in your application you're going to be able to see under this fixture, you may want to select a filament bulb, the Edison bulb, and these are LED. So you have the round one and then the oblong.
Yeah, let me, as long as I'm tall, I think I am here. Let me pull this ladder right out of here. The cameras can get a shot of underneath. Here.
Okay.
I'm going to mention again,
I mean, it's huge.
this is Free Fixture Friday, guys.
It is Free Fixture Friday.
If you would like one of these, we need to get some videos of this shared.
Oh, that's right. They have to
So-
share it publicly.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so glad you remember that. So that is how you get a free fixture. You must share it publicly, and we will send it to you. They get a week to do that. If you see this not live, but you see it reposted from the day it was live, you get 1 week to go ahead and share it publicly. So can you see the difference there?
That's gorgeous, by the way.
Yeah.
I love that. That's really nice.
This is hard not to like. And then this is, I mean, purely personal taste here. And these are dimmable?
Fully dimmable.
Okay, so then, again, it depends on what you're looking to do. If it's over an island and you are prepping a meal, you're gonna have it brighter. If you have it, if you have friends over and you're just socializing, not just socializing, but you get to socialize.
When we get to this.
Then at least, tell me about this. Do you see
Okay.
this? Doesn't really look like a lamp, doesn't look like a bulb.
Exactly. This is one of my favorite bulbs. This is 800 lumens. It's fully dimmable, and this. I
800
wouldn't use
lumens
this-
is
yeah.
bright,
Yes.
okay?
I probably wouldn't use this necessarily over my island or my, my peninsula. I'd probably want an Edison bulb.
Something
But when I
bright.
need more light, these go in so many places. Utility rooms, garages,
Right.
anything like that. Like I said, these are in restaurants or all over the place. But this is a really nice bulb. It disappears in there.
Okay. Over the ping pong table.
Ping pong table, the pool table.
Oh wow, this is bright. Did you see that? Do you see the difference there?
Can you guys get maybe, yeah, if we can turn it off maybe, and,
What's nice is that puff bulb, just that style, it's flat. literally goes away. All you're gonna see is the fixture.
That's perfect.
Because the interior is white. So you're just gonna see the fixture. There's absolutely no attention drawn to the lamp, to the bulb.
Absolutely. I did pick up some other bulbs here. That obviously is my favorite, along with the Edison style. But if that's not if that's not your cup of tea, we do have plenty of other bulbs.
Yeah.
I'm usually going to go with something shorter.
Oh, I
Cynthia
see.
has
Okay,
a
so see the
BR30.
difference?
Yep, that's a
Let me turn
BR30.
it off so you can see the difference.
Okay. This is a short neck par bulb. This is going to give you a little different beam spread. That right there is 110 degrees. It's going to give you a lot
So
of
it's
illumination.
really broad.
Yes.
Okay.
Now this is a lot smaller beam spread. I'm hoping to see a nice.
This has more of a utilitarian lens on it here too. So this I like for your workbench.
If you needed that exactly over your workbench, over your desk,
Yeah.
you may want just a light like that. It's going to focus the light on a smaller area.
Okay, so you see that? That's a little flatter. It's not as flat as your puck, and that's a cool light.
That is a cool light.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So you can kind of see the difference there. That has a total, more of a utilitarian type of feel right
Very
there.
much so. Perfect over a workbench or a desk or something like that. That you just need a
Yeah.
light.
If you're going with a more of a industrial chic, you may want to try something like that. What's this little guy? This almost looks like the regular bulbs we had before LED.
Look, just a little R20. Same as the BR30.
Okay,
It's just
so
a
see
smaller
that? That
version.
has just a regular bulb in place. And, okay, so this color is warm white. You can see the difference there. And it really just looks like you put a regular bulb in there. You know, a household bulb.
Yeah, it's small. It's giving off plenty of light. So that's why I like it. I want to keep something small.
So this is just a medium base socket. Medium base socket means your regular household socket that you have in throughout your house. So it's that easy. So you can go from here to here to here. Pick your color. When you share the video for Free Fixture Friday and you get the free fixture, we'll contact you and you can let us know what color you want. I know. I can't believe they even get to choose. You get to choose.
Let's end it with the this bulb in it, because that's
Okay.
probably.
I like that.
Leave this here. Right?
Yeah. I like that. This has actually, far more, I'm just going to show it to you, far more design appeal.
Yes.
Actually.
Yep. That looks good.
Yeah.
That's very nice.
Oh, that's awesome.
All right.
All right.
So Free Fixture Friday, everybody. Please share this video and receive a free fixture. Do it publicly, though.
Yeah, do it publicly, and if there's a fixture or a product that you see on the site that you want to know, tricks of the trade, send us a comment. Brian's team, he's the director of tech. He knows everything about every single product, and we'll be able to help you out. We'll put you on the schedule. All right, follow us.
Have a good weekend.